Every time you ask AI a tough question, it sprints down one track. Today you'll see why that's a problem and how to fix it. Tree of Thoughts, or TOT, is a prompting technique where AI generates and evaluates several lines of reasoning before giving you a final answer. This isn't a social media hack. It was developed by researchers at Princeton and DeepMind and published as a peer-reviewed paper on large language models. Imagine planning a trip. You don't just blurt out the first destination. You weigh options, discard bad ones, and pick the best. TOT teaches AI to do the same. You've probably heard of chain of thought prompting. TOT goes further. Instead of one chain, you get a branching tree. The AI can even backtrack and try again. Here's how TOT works under the hood. First, the big problem gets broken into sub-goals. Smaller checkpoints the AI can reason about one at a time. At each sub-goal, the AI proposes multiple candidate ideas, several different ways to proceed. Think of it like a chess player considering every possible move. Then AI scores each branch against the goal. Is this accurate? Is it feasible? Weak ones get pruned. This is what stops the model from chasing bad ideas all the way to the end. The AI commits to the best performing path and delivers your answer. It's not the first idea that arrived. It's the one that survived comparison against all the others. Here's a real TOT-style prompt. You ask AI to act as three strategists. Each proposes an idea, each critiques the others, and then they agree on the best one. The magic is in forced comparison. When the AI has to critique its own ideas against alternatives, it can't get away with lazy, surface-level answers. TOT is overkill for simple tasks. Use it when there are genuinely multiple valid approaches: strategy, planning, tricky logic, or any decision where trade-offs matter. The biggest mistake is overusing it. TOT burns more tokens and takes longer. Slapping it on every prompt is like using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. Wasteful. Here's your reusable template. Swap in any number of experts and any problem. The evaluate then synthesize structure is what gives you the TOT benefit every time. Quick recap. Tree of Thoughts makes AI explore multiple paths, score them, cut the weak ones, and give you the best surviving answer. Save it for hard problems. Grab the template from the description and try it today. If this clicked for you, subscribe. Every week we cover one real technique you can use the same day. See you next time.